Maititi vari kufara mushure mekunge maviewers emovie yeonline nezuro vakadecida kupa mareviews anobatsira constructive criticism kureta kuti movie yakanga yagonekanwa kusvika papi, kuti wardrobe yakagonekamwa sei, seti zvese zvakadaro. Aiwa vati ivo constructive criticism ndiyo yavanoda, kwete zvatinozoita isi kungotuka tichingoita sevanhu vasina chikoro. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. A gracious morning to you, my online VIPs and my Vodaro. I must say, my viewers were on fire. 5,000 interesting people who were really focused on the details. I have seen your reviews and I'm honestly humbled. As a first-time actress, I need guidance, criticism and advice I can get because I know there are more experienced people in this field. Thank you for watching and let's do it again tonight. Muchapuwa linki vanu fana vabhadhara mari dzavo kuEcocash $5 then ubva wapuwa linki inovhurika na8 chete. Before that link haivhuri. Anyway, pane vanoziva zvekuactor very international. So this is what they found out about the movie. I got to watch the whole movie. I love the intro, the pace of the film, and how the story moves. It doesn't drag. It goes from one mood to the next. You feel those transitions. When I saw the trail, I was like, okay, it is a very emotional movie. When I saw the movie, I was like, okay, it's a balanced movie. I enjoyed the friendship between the two women. The conversations were honest. It reminded me of my body. The editing was on point. Good color contrast. Great makeup. Wardrobe. 8 out of 10. Left with so many questions. Hungry. Searching the net. Asking people, who's this Maititi? Comparing a story. How many kids does he have? Who's Nathan? Which guy was Benjamin? I did notice your story was altered for dramatic purposes, which as a filmmaker, I understand. I also do feel your organic story would have made an impact. I enjoyed your performance as your debut in a leading role. I got excited when I heard you let go and speak your mother tongue. I could feel you embody the character and script, and I felt you dig deeper into the emotions. The Nigerian cast performed like pros and supported the lead commendably, never upstaging, which takes incredible skill, especially when you're a big star supporting a rookie. I found the soundtrack to be pleasant and change from the older Nigerian movies where the music is quite domineering. I must point out, I found the Lobola scene hilarious as I totally understood the bed shona. Finally, people who spoke worse than me in true Nigerian fashion, they didn't disappoint on the set design. A more romantic location proposal yaizobuda zvakanaka, but that is me just daydreaming of seeing Maititi in nice places. Well done, Mr. Director. Heads off to you. You did a great job. Well done, Felicitas. Maititi, you are outstanding, genuine and believable. Your story resonates with almost every woman. A story of giving her all, loving with her all, having a heart broken and rising from the ashes. I have a feeling this isn't going to be a movie but a series. Thank you for great Sunday night viewing. Makorokoto. Wamawo ndokuti. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Your words and your work have truly encouraged me, especially as a woman navigating a season where things haven't been making sense in my life. You reminded me that the sky is the limit, even when circumstances feel confusing or heavy. Your message gave me hope, and I believe God used you to speak to my heart right when I needed it the most. Thank you for ministering through your gift. May God continue to bless you and use you to bring light and encouragement to others, just like you did to me. So my viewers ese barikungoti aiwa tiri kufara. Guys, we just watched the whole movie. It's beautiful, it's emotional, everything is in there. Listen to the girl child. There is no limit to life. Thank you so much. Aiwa angorima wow. Guys ka but Benjamin maida kutomsiyama mpaza ndipe mari yangu tsana. Okay, so kune vaya handiti muri kunzwa zvatikutaura izvi. Ma inside information evanhu vakaona movie kuti pana mukoma Benjamin vakapotsawo paziwa. Zvino imi kana musati maona film handizoti muri kumboita nezvei. Munhu wese angori lost in ashes. Amene kuti muchabatsirika sei. So nyaya iripo ndeyekuti kune link rinobuda izvezvi during the day rinozovhura na 8 o'clock. Saka the best thing kugara wangobata sport yako kuitira kuti tizofambirana. Nyaya yekuti kana tozotaura nyaya naMukoma Benjamin ime mangogara makungoshaya kuti kuvari kutaura nezvei, hazvidi kudaro. Masendera inomu ndo nyaya dziri kutotaurwa nezvadzo. Zvino imimi muchange makadi makangomirira kuti takaona vakachena. Kuchena ndiko zvetakuona. But pari zvino Hande Closed in Ashes tisapoti mwana wevhu. Dei maiziva kuti pakashandwa sei. Aiwa, dei makutobhadhara lingi rekudzokorera movie. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and to share kuti video redo rifambe.